Hey, what's up guys? Kat Ray here. So I'm so excited about this. We are setting up our 36-inch metal fire pit. It's gonna go on our patio. It's gonna make it very beautiful. I've been looking forward to this for quite a while, so stick around. So Josh is an extremely artistic man, and so I gave it up to him. He went on Amazon and he picked out this fire pit. It's very round, it's very beautiful. It does have two grills on it, but to tell you the truth, I doubt we'll ever use those, but it is a very cool aspect to it. It'll completely beautify our patio. Okay, so we gotta get this going because look at Josh is over there waiting for me to set this thing up. So yes, let's go get this thing unpacked. So it is real great. They give you basically everything you need to set this up. It comes with the screws, the bolts, and the screwdriver.
The final screw and the Death Star, fire pit, will be complete.
Well, we are almost done with this, and tell you the truth, it's not like there was a lot to putting this thing together, but pretty exciting.
This fire pit is a transformer. It's about to go coffee table mode right now.
Oh yes.
Burp. Nice.
Yay!
There it is. Exciting.
Well guys, I am so excited about this fireplace. This is great. This will be an awesome thing to be using towards the end of summer into spring. So I hope if you're interested in having a cool fire like this, you go and get yourself one. So remember, work hard, play hard. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.